Hey guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and so I decided I'm going to do not theme system tests, but kind of Christmas type things, I guess. So it'll go red device, white device above the panel, red device above the window. So that's what I'm thinking. So we have my KD278, as you can see. Above the panel, we have my Genesis horn strobe on 15 candela, I'm pretty sure. And then above the window, we have my Wheelock NS. If that'll focus, there we go. So, that is, I guess, red, white, red, and there's no, in my collection, I don't have any white pole stations, so I guess it'll just always be red, white, and then red. So, before we get into this, don't put fire alarms in real buildings because it's a little bit of a crime. Anyway, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we'll do the smoke detector. Alright, so, thank you guys so much for watching this short system test. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!